For a bird dog, I'm going to explain everything and then I'm going to demo it for you. So you're going to start off on all fours, making sure that the whole time you're trying to act like you're sucking your belly button into your spine. You are going to take one arm and the opposite leg, and you're going to throw them both out while you are in all fours. You're gonna make a fist and you're gonna try and push out as if you're trying to reach a wall or something in front of you. If you could pull your arm as far as you can, that's what you're trying to do. And with your foot, you're wanting to take your heel and drive that back as far as you can. And so you want there to be push on each one of those areas. You're trying to basically pull yourself further apart. You're gonna hold that for 10 seconds, 7 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to bring them both back in, and then you're going to go out, same arm, same leg again. 3 reps on one side for 7 seconds, and then you're going to switch and do 3 reps on the other side for about 7 seconds each. When you drive your arm and your leg out, you should be breathing in. When you draw them both back in, you should be breathing out.